Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you see user not found on Instagram, so how you can fix it. So mostly it happened because user just changed his username, so you just need to find it with another username, or you can also check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you're using mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on again. And also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have the store, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try the latest way. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So this is a way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.